Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Juby Suyat Reyes. I'm 39 years old. I live in Balaring General Natividad, Nueva Ecija. I'm happily married to Mr. Warlito Reyes. My husband's occupation is a farmer, and at the same time, he is a consultant at the Vice Mayor's office in our municipality. I'm 39 years old, and I have 3 children. And the oldest name is Stephanie Reyes, Dave John Reyes, and the oldest is Jamuel John Reyes. I'm high school graduate, and my work experience is to take care of an old woman and children.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
My reason to apply abroad is to give a financial support and needs to our children.
Are you willing to do all around household chores?
Yes.
What experience do you have in household chores?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, and gardening.
What about naughty little children? Can you also take good care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a simple English song for little children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. Obedience. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe.
Is it okay for you to take care of elderly or bedridden persons?
Yes, ma'am.
How about animals? Can you take care of them too?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate modern household appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
How about cooking? Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
What particular dishes can you prepare?
Fried rice, fried peas.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you interested to learn the language?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please tell us more why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my husband to give a financial support and needs for educational of our children.
Would you like to say something else to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, I'm a good person, hardworking, and honest. That's